Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at ElevenLabs AI text-to-speech, what it does, how it works, and why it's one of the go-to tools for creators, educators, developers, and storytellers. If you've ever thought about using AI voices for your videos, audiobooks, podcasts, or apps, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more tech breakdowns and tutorials. So, what is ElevenLabs TTS? At its core, it's a tool that converts written text into very realistic, human-like speech. Unlike older TTS tools that sounded robotic or monotone, ElevenLabs uses advanced AI models to deliver speech with natural rhythm, tone, inflection, even emotional nuance. That means when you paste a script or a piece of text, the output doesn't just read the words, it performs them with pacing, pauses, and expressive delivery. Here's a simplified breakdown of how it works. First, the text is processed and normalized, so numbers, abbreviations, punctuation, and formatting are converted into speech-friendly form. Then, the system analyzes the text linguistically. It figures out pronunciation, context, where to place pauses, emphasis, and how the sentence should be expressed emotionally. After that, a neural speech synthesis engine transforms that into realistic audio that sounds much like a real human reading. What makes ElevenLabs especially powerful compared with basic TTS tools is its expressiveness and versatility. You can choose from many built-in voices in different accents, genders, and languages. You can even create or clone custom voices for something unique. This makes it ideal not just for simple narration, but for dynamic storytelling, characters in games, multilingual content, voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and more. Another standout feature, the latest generation supports emotion tags and multi-speaker dialogue, meaning you can write a script with different characters or moods and have the AI deliver a performance that reflects that context, complete with natural-sounding interactions. Finally, it's also developer-friendly. You can integrate the TTS into apps, games, chatbots, or any dynamic content. So you're not limited to the web interface or manual generation. This flexibility opens up many creative and technical use cases beyond just video narration. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with anyone curious about AI-powered voices, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, tech explainers, and creative content ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.